Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the LG washer PE error code in 2026. So this PE error code appears when the washer gets incorrect or unstable readings from the pressure sensor. So in order to fix it, what you need to do first is to simply reset and recalibrate. So you need to unplug the washer and simply wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and run a short cycle without load. This allows the washer to recalibrate the water level detection. After doing so, you need to open the top panel and locate the thin air tube which will be connected to the sensor. You need to check for the kinks or the bends, the blockages from the detergent residue. You can blow gently through the tube to ensure that it is clear. Now you need to also make sure that the tube is securely connected at both ends. Now sometimes too much detergent creates foam, and foam affects the pressure readings and it can confuse the sensor. So always use the recommended detergent amount only. So if accessible, you can also check the wiring which will be connected to the pressure sensor, because sometimes loose or damaged wire can also interrupt the signal transmission. Now, even after following all of these steps, the issues still persist. You can just simply check for any replacement whether it is needed. So the pressure sensor itself may be faulty, so that require a replacement. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.